Beyond the built-in SharePoint workflows, there is the ability to create custom workflows. For example, if I want to go to my site and create a custom workflow, I can fire up SharePoint Designer. There is no SharePoint Designer 2016. We're still using 2013, but it works just fine. It's a free tool that you can download from Microsoft, and I can create a new custom workflow here that would allow me to do something specific to a list or to a library. So if I looked, for example, at my events calendar, and anytime there was a new event scheduled, I wanted to send an email to the person who manages the calendar, for example. Something like that. All I do is select that particular list or library, and when it is selected, I then have the ability to add a workflow right here. And this is going to look very different because what I'll do is I'll enter a workflow name, email owner, for example. Go get information from my server, including the metadata from this particular list. And then I'll have the ability to outline my workflow and save this workflow back on the site. This is a much more complex but much more powerful tool. This is the text-based designer. I also have the ability to design in Visio if I have Visio Professional to be able to create my design. But this allows me to take a wide range of actions, including adding comments, starting a different workflow, checking items in, checking items out, setting the values for fields, sending emails, copying documents, and so on. Creating a new workflow in SharePoint Designer is beyond the scope of this course. However, you will find SharePoint Designer workflow courses in our online training library.